In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge two objects in Inkscape quickly and cleanly, whether you're working with shapes or even text. This is a super useful technique if you're designing logos, icons, or any kind of vector artwork where you need to combine elements into a single shape. Stick around because I'll also show you an important step for text that a lot of people miss. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Inkscape tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Inkscape and make sure you have your objects ready on the canvas. These can be basic shapes like circles, rectangles, or any custom paths you've created. The key thing here is that the objects need to overlap. If they're not touching or overlapping, the merge won't work the way you expect. Next, select both objects. You can do this using the selection tool, which you can activate by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Then simply click and drag over both objects, or hold Shift and click each one individually until they're both selected. Once both objects are selected, here's the magic step. Press Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard. This activates the path union operation. What this does is it welds both shapes together into one single silhouette. You'll notice immediately that the overlapping areas are merged and you now have one unified shape instead of two separate objects. This is especially useful when you want clean vector designs without overlapping paths or when preparing files for cutting, engraving, or exporting. Now, let's talk about merging text because this is where things are slightly different. If you try to merge text directly, it won't work the same way as shapes, so before you do anything, you need to convert your text into a path. To do that, select your text, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This converts the text into a path object. Once converted, it behaves just like any other shape in Inkscape. After that, you can repeat the same process. Select the text path along with your other object, press Ctrl and the plus key, and Inkscape will merge them together into one shape. But here's something really important to keep in mind. Once text is converted to a path, it can't be edited as text anymore. You won't be able to change the font or type new words. Also, you can't simply ungroup it back into text. If you need to make adjustments later, you'll have to use path editing tools instead. And that's it. That's how you merge two objects in Inkscape, whether they're shapes or text. It's quick, powerful, and once you get used to it, you'll use it all the time in your designs. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.